Are you someone who is struggling with premenstrual pain or lot of menstrual pain, or maybe someone who is in their journey of pregnancy and wants to work on their pelvis? So, I've got this very simple exercise that you can do anytime in the day, whether you have ate something, not ate something, you just need a block. So, come with me. So, you want to stand straight like you usually do, feet parallel to each other, calves engaged, kneecaps pulled up, thighs engaged, core soft, and relaxed shoulders. And this is what will do the change. So you want to place your block in between your thighs in a way that the block is also standing straight. So you don't want the block to tilt in this way or the other way. You want it to be straight, parallel to your thighs, right? And now with the help, this will take some time. Now you want to use your outer thighs to put pressure on the block, and you want to maintain the inner thigh area soft. So this action, when you try to do for 3, 4, 5 minutes and with practice 10 minutes, this really helps your pelvis muscles to get stronger. And this simple exercise, if you do consistently, you will be able to see change. If you are someone who experiences menstrual pain or any other type of pains in their back, so this essentially helps you correct your posture. So there are some checkpoints that you need to be careful about. So when you're standing, you want the weight to be equally distributed in your foot. So it should not be either too forward or it should not be too back. The pelvis should be neutral. And how do you ensure that the pelvis is neutral? So if you keep your fingers in contact with one another and you place it on your pubic bone and your palms on your hip bones, like these protruding bones, and this should come in one line. So in case if you're someone whose posture is where the pubic bone is coming forward, or someone whose pubic bone is coming inward, then you need to just tilt your pelvis to a place where all of this is in one plane. So if you have an anterior tilt, you want to tuck your pelvis and exert pressure on the block. Or if you're someone whose pelvis is going forward, so you want to again correct your posture and then pressure equally distributed on your feet, and then as if imagine your legs to be a straw and you want to pull that straw up and stand with your fingers pointing down, shoulders relaxed, and probably listening to a music that you like or listening to some podcast, and be in this position. But at the same time, you want to maintain the alignment and your neck. Your neck is also to be in line with your spine. How do you see it? So turn your neck a little bit forward and back, and from there, you will have a point where you will notice where the neck is coming in line with your spine. So at that point, you know that your neck and spine are in one line. And you want to press your collarbones broad and fingertips pressing down. So here you might see as if I'm not doing any work, but my arms are active, my legs are active, my outer thighs are active, and they're pressing this block so that it stays in this position. You want to do this for at least 2 to 5 to 10 minutes, slowly increasing your practice.